We're back. More Brownie Snack Badge projects. Today we are doing Slurp a snack and we are making
banana smoothies.
Banana smoothies. This is Marissa, our friendly neighborhood Girl Scout, and she's going to demonstrate using frozen bananas. I pre-sliced them, popped them in the freezer last night, and they've been sitting out for about 5 minutes so they get just a little softer. And we can loosen that up if it's too thick with some juice, whatever kind of juice you like. Say we have mango. And Marissa, take it away.
I'm just gonna
Let's go.
and throw them in the blender. Should I do all of them?
Yeah, let's do all of them. That was
Make or go home.
5. You got it. Go big or go home, honey. So that was 5 bananas, ripe bananas. Just peel them, slice them, put them on a little parchment paper.
Just goes on just like that.
What is the power? Let's add a little more juice there. And now you see now, if you like nice cream, you can just scoop this and use it like a sort of an ice cream substitute. We'll blend it up a little more and it just gets creamy, but we're gonna keep blending it with some juice and make smoothies. And you just keep adding juice till it gets to the consistency that you like. We can add some water in here. I mean, it's not some water. I'll just take the whole thing out. Let's put a little more juice to give it some, a little bit more, little bit. There we go. All right, let's see how that goes. Make sure that's all closed down. All right. I'm just gonna get a spoon. And we're gonna need some more juice. Get a little more juice in there. Let's go a little more because it's very thick. The bananas are super, super thick. Taking a little while to get there. Let's kind of take that and just press. What do you think? Do you want it to be more liquid? Do you want
I think
to add
a
some
little more
juice?
liquid.
Okay, let's go ahead and add some more juice to that. Let's go a little bit more. Okay. Let's take a look. What do you think?
I think that's perfect.
Perfect? All right. Wow, it smells so good. I'm gonna take that. Look how creamy. Oh, oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna move this to the side. Now you can divide that between 3 bowls.
Okay. Oh, it's like ice cream.
Yep.
Oh.
Lovely. Okay, we got. Oh, we got. So we're gonna leave 1 bowl plain, and then we're gonna add some natural coloring into the other 2 bowls. So for our colors, we have blueberry powder and spirulina. All right, we'll just stick that off to the side. And we're gonna add a little bit at a time. Let's start with the blueberry powder. So grab a bowl there and just sprinkle a little in and stir it up. And let's see what color we get. I think it could use a little bit more. I think it could use a lot more. Let's get some real color in there. Okay, that gives us like a purpley brownish color. And then we're going to use the spirulina, and we'll go light on that first. So just put a little sprinkle, and let's see what color we get with that. Oh, use the spoon. Just put a little tad bit more. Let's move that to the side. I think that's enough. Stir that in real well, and that gives us a greenish color. And then we'll use our little cups, and we can layer each of our 3 colors into the cups. So I would say maybe we'll put a little bit of the plain on the side, a little bit of the green. Oops, I stole it. A little green and a little purple. There you go. And then you can top it with different fruit, whatever you like. I'm gonna put a couple of blueberries. Let's see, maybe a little coconuts, because I love coconuts. And some strawberry slices. And that is it. That is our Slurp snack. We've got our smoothie bowls, just lots of fresh fruit, some juice, some frozen bananas, and you're good to go. So please subscribe and stay tuned for our next video, which is going to be make a sweet snack, I think. Sweet snack, right? We'll go with that. Yeah. Okay, thanks, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.